Hi, my name is Paulette Ruiz and I'm going to show you how to make mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes is a quick, tasty side dish that you can make with any dinner. After you've gathered all your ingredients, the first thing you're going to do is fill up a pot of water and then set the heat on high so that the potatoes will cook faster. Okay, so now before going on to the hardest part, which will be peeling the potatoes, you first want to rinse them. So you find a bowl, then you're going to dump your potatoes in it, and then you're just going to rinse them with some water. Okay, so now that you've rinsed your potatoes, you're gonna start peeling them. You don't have to be perfect. They can have a little bit of skin since it adds texture to your mashed potatoes. However, you do wanna get rid of the tops and the craters because you don't want these in your mashed potatoes. I'm also peeling them on top of the trash can for easier cleanup afterwards. Okay, as you can see, I'm halfway done peeling the potatoes. They aren't perfect, but like I said before, just remember to take out the ugly parts. Okay, by the time you're done peeling your potatoes and cleaning up your potato peelings, your water should be boiling. So now that your water is boiling, you're going to put the potatoes in the water and then let it boil for about 10 to 20 minutes. The most important thing is to boil them until they're soft and tender. The next thing you're gonna do is melt butter. So you need 1 stick. I have 2 half sticks, which equals 1. You're gonna unwrap it and put it in the bowl. I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds. As you can see, the butter has softened. Next step will be adding a tablespoon of garlic. Okay, now we're gonna quickly mix it. Okay, so now we're gonna cut our bunch of chives and add them to our garlicky butter. Okay, before we do that, we're gonna quickly rinse them and then cut them. Okay, so finely mince and dice. You don't want the pieces to be too big or too small. Okay, so after you're done cutting your chives, you're gonna add them to the garlicky butter, like I said before. Okay, so after you're done mixing your butter, you're gonna check on the potatoes. They should be done by now. The way to check is you're gonna take a fork and poke through them. And if they're soft enough, then they'll be ready to mash. Okay, so now that our potatoes are done, we're gonna strain the water and add them to our garlic butter. Okay, now you can add your potatoes to your garlicky butter. Okay, so after you place your potatoes in your garlic butter, you're gonna add 3 generous tablespoons of sour cream. Okay, now you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of milk. And then once you've done that, you can finally start mashing it all up. Okay, so once you start mashing it all up, you can leave it chunky or creamy. It's really up to your personal preference. Okay, so now we're mashing it. We're almost done. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. You don't have to. It's really up to you. I do it because that's what I like. Yeah, after this, you're just gonna mash it a little bit more taste it. If you want to add more, you can. If not, that's fine. But yeah, you just put it on the plate and bon appetit.